If you love the slow cooker and are trying to eat healthily, this slow cooker honey and apple pulled pork has 43 grams of protein. And it's a dream for those busy days when you want a fuss-free, slow-cooked dinner that practically prepares itself. Succulent pork loin infused with the natural sweetness of apples and honey is slowly cooked to perfection over 7 hours. The result is a high-protein feast, ideal for meal prep, super versatile, and I think you're going to love it. First thing you want to do is just slice up 2 red onions and then core some apples. If you don't have one of these little apple corers, jump onto eBay, you can thank me later, and slice them up. Then heat some oil in a large frying pan and you're just going to fry them on a medium heat until they start to soften and get some nice colour on them. Then to that you're going to add 200 ml of any kind of beer or lager and just simmer that for a further minute to let some of the alcohol burn off. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Then tip the whole lot into the slow cooker. Now, ideally at this point, you're going to use a whole pork fillet or pork tenderloin. The reason why I'm using a chopped up one is because I filmed this the day after Easter and all the big whole bits of pork are gone, so I had to chop it up. So in the final shots, you'll see that mine is more of like a chopped pork rather than a pulled pork, but the taste is exactly the same. It's delicious, but so you can use either chopped up pork medallion or a whole loin. It's up to you. Anyway, cook it up. And then when it's ready, shred it. As you can see, there's not much shredding for me to do, but if you get a loin, then you'll be able to shred it and just get stuck in. So there we have it. That is my apple and honey pulled pork. And the best thing about this recipe is just how versatile it is. You can use that with some veggies. You can serve it with rice. You can put it in a baked potato. You can serve it in a roll. And to be honest, when I made pulled pork, I normally just made a big batch of it, pop it into the fridge and then decide what I'm going to do with it there and then. So just now, I don't really know, but I'll probably have it in a roll tomorrow for my lunch. But anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want the full recipe for this and loads of other recipes, you can just get them inside my recipes app. Just click the link below in the description and you can download it. And let me know what you think of this recipe once you've had a chance to make it. Anyway, I'm off to go and eat a little bit. I'll save the rest for later and hopefully we'll see you back here again soon. Smells so good, honestly. Got some apple, got some pork. So good.